Kaigani is a good one. You're going to love this one. This is iffy, very iffy. Ma, agus da. There are two words for if in Irish, and they have different implications. Ma is typically going to imply something that could happen. Da typically is going to imply an impossible thing. It's not likely to happen at all, as if kind of a thing. Ma uses after it the present tense or the past tense, and it causes a lenition. And in the future, it uses the present habitual after it. So ma vian she extract, if he will be regularly, if he will be coming. It's not actually a habitual, it's just the form it uses in the future tense. So ma isn't so complicated because it's using easy forms of the verb. A little bit more difficult is the da, because da takes the conditional afterwards. So da mengsha mawaya, if I was in my town. Again, look for songs. There's lots of songs with that kind of stuff in it. It's good to practice with things in context. Da, again, will cause an eclipsis. Da ming, right, if I would be. There's also a negative form. Well, let's go back to before the copula. Ma combines with the copula to become mas. Ma-is becomes one word, mas. Mashe dahale is made out of that, if it is your will. Da doesn't get used with the copula. Just doesn't make sense. Although, yeah, actually, I'm sorry, I take that back. Da ma. Ba would be the conditional. You get that the next chapter. That's why they don't give it to you here. But that also eclipses da ma, so that you'd have to use the conditional of the copular. So it's not with is, but it's with ba. And then you get mura, which is the negative copula form for ma. Mura will, if it isn't, right? Mura mian she, if it won't be, right? So same future habitual as if it was ma, mura. Now in another dialect you will have munna. It's the same word with an N. And this takes some practice, learning which one to use. So you have to go through them. You have to look at the exercises, listen to the recordings, and put them in context. Get some songs in your head. Get some other things in your head that you can remember that'll remind you which one to use and what forms come after it. Okay, so that's what that chapter is about. Practice up.